Cei, valuable 3 points in a quest for 7th spot. A bit nerve-wracking towards the end.
Yeah, expected. You're playing a really, really good Newtown team. When you've got players like Oswell, Williams, Craig Williams back return, Sutton. We knew tonight was going to be tough on a Friday night. Laughing Park, over all the years we've played here, it's no surprise what it is. I think we started really well first half. I thought we were dominant, created lots of opportunities. Their keeper made 2 really good saves, 2 good goals, although George has made 1 big save first half. And then credit to Newtown, they came out the trap second half. Callum changed formation, which was really effective. It took us a while to adapt to it, but at that point they got to 2-1. And we asked the question. Obviously, we were happy then getting our set-piece goal ourselves for 3-1. And then a goal that would probably disappoint you that set-piece-wise. It will reflect back on what we can do. And then, as you said, in this league, when there's 1 goal in it, which most games are, we knew it was tough and it was going to be a challenge. But, we saw it through and a big 3 points.
Cal, another disappointing result tonight, but you showed some character in that second half.
Yeah, I thought first half we started getting quite well. Chase had a great chance and George has made a really good save at his near post. And then, our most experienced players giving a penalty away. However, we feel a little bit hard done by. I've watched it back. I was told quite confidently by the 4th official that the foul was inside the box. Watching it back, it's clearly outside the box. It's the second time now in 2 weeks that we feel like an official's decision's gone against us. The goal that the linesman getting overruled by the referee against Flint has led to a goal as well. So that's got to be looked at, I think. But as we say, second half we showed good character. We changed shape. The players adapted really well, and I can't fault them second half really, apart from the defending for the 3rd goal. But we scored 2 good goals ourselves. We've knocked on the door, and when you see Connah's Quay shouting for the final whistle and thrashing things away from the box, they've been in the game.
Nashi, well-deserved 3 points this evening, do you think?
Yeah, I think so. I think especially for the way we played first half, thought we were good, thought we moved the ball really well. Newtown are a good team. They scored a good goal. They came back into it, made it tough. But I think overall we deserve the 3 points, and yeah, we'll take that and get up the road.
Yeah, first goal contentious, penalty, but when you're trying to go for the 7th place, you get a bit of luck.
Well, I think we all thought it was, but I think you probably will when they go for you. But yeah, look, you need that little bit of luck, especially when you come to a tough place like this. And I thought after the goal we settled down, and I thought we played really well, especially first half.
Yeah, then you went 2 goals ahead, then Newtown came back into it, a bit more pressure then, and then you got that all-important 3rd goal. Yeah,
and I've owed the lads, but especially Hughesy, that, because he put some great balls in. Maz as well, we've got great delivery at this club, and I've probably missed a few chances this year, to be honest. So yeah, no, it was good to score the goal, but just obviously a bit of a cushion, and then 3 points is what matters really.
3 games left, and 3 massive games in the context of the season.
Yeah, it's still fine. Your poise is going to be twists and turns. Looks like Briton Ferry are going to beat Aberystwyth. We've still got Aber to play at home. And then it's a 2-game shootout really between ourselves and Briton Ferry. And I know the group I've got, I'm really confident that we'll do it.